Can you imagine this? You are standing inside one of the busiest airports in the world. You are waiting for your flight. Suddenly, two women walk toward you. One of them touches your face with a strange liquid. At first, you think, maybe it's a prank. Maybe it's just a random joke. But what you don't know is you have just become the target of one of the most mysterious assassination plots in modern history. Within minutes, a deadly substance begins affecting your body, and the person who is about to lose his life is not an ordinary man. He is the older brother of North Korea's leader Kim Jong-un. His name? Kim Jong-nam. Kim Jong-nam was the eldest son of former North Korean leader Kim Jong-il. Because of his position in the ruling family, many believed he could one day become the next leader of North Korea. But everything changed in 2001. Kim Jong-nam was caught trying to enter Japan using a fake passport. He claimed that he wanted to visit Tokyo Disneyland. The incident became a major embarrassment for the North Korean leadership. After that, his chances of becoming the country's next leader disappeared. He later lived a more private life in places like Macau and Beijing. Although he stayed away from politics, Kim Jong-nam occasionally criticized the North Korean government. A former heir who openly questioned the system could become a serious problem. And years later, the world would witness a shocking event that would end his life. February 13th, 2017, Kuala Lumpur International Airport, Malaysia. Kim Jong-nam was waiting for his flight to Macau. Then, two women approached him. One woman placed a substance on his face. The two women quickly walked away. At first, Kim Jong-nam reported the incident to airport staff. He said someone had put a chemical substance on him, but his condition started getting worse. During the investigation, authorities discovered that the substance used in the attack was VX nerve agent, a highly dangerous chemical weapon. While being taken for medical treatment, Kim Jong-nam died. The most unusual part of this assassination was the two people involved. They were Siti Aisha from Indonesia and Joan Thi Huong from Vietnam. Both women claimed they believed they were taking part in a prank video. They said they were told it was only an entertainment stunt, not an assassination. Investigators later found that they had participated in similar prank-style videos before, but this time, it was not a prank. It was a carefully planned murder. After Kim Jong-nam's death, one major question remained. Who was behind the operation? Malaysian investigators and South Korean intelligence agencies suspected a connection to North Korea. Reports suggested that several North Korean citizens were linked to the case. Some suspects reportedly left Malaysia shortly after the incident. However, North Korea denied any involvement in the assassination. The death of Kim Jong-nam created a major diplomatic crisis. Malaysia continued its investigation. North Korea rejected the accusations. Relations between the two countries became extremely tense. The situation even created disputes involving citizens from both nations. Eventually, negotiations helped reduce the conflict between the two sides. The death of Kim Jong-nam was not just a murder case. It was a story involving power, family rivalry, secret operations, and international politics. A man who was once considered a possible future leader of North Korea ended his life at one of the world's busiest airports. In one of the most mysterious assassinations of the 21st century,